Hi there, I'm Poetus Mbali Shabangu, and it's that time of the week whereby we get our scripture reading in English and Zulu. Drum roll! Yebo! Yes! So today we are going to get our scripture reading from the book of Amahubo, which is Psalms chapter 7, verse number 1 to 7. It reads as follows. A she-gon of David, which he sang to the Lord concerning Cushi, a Benjamite. O Lord my God, I take refuge in you. Save and deliver me from all who pursue me. Ishigayoni likaDavide alihubela uJehova ngenxa yamazwi kaKhushe wakwaBenjamini. uJehova, uNkulunkulu wami, ngiyaphephela kuwe. Verse 2. Or they will tear me like a lion and rip me to pieces with no one to rescue me. Ngisindise kubo bonke abangizingelayo. Ungikhulule bangaze bangudangule umphefumulo wami njengengonyama ixebhula kungekho okukhululayo. Verse 3. O Lord my God, if I have done this and there is guilty on my hands, Jehova Nkulunkulu wami, uma ngikwenzile lokho, uma kukhona okubi ezandleni zami. Verse 4. If I have done evil to him who is at peace with me, or without cause have robbed my foe, uma ngiphindise okubi kohlaseni nami ngokuthula ngaphanga isitha sami kungekho sice. Verse 5. Then let my enemy pursue and overtake me. Let him trample my life to the ground and make me sleep in the dust. Sile. Isitha masiwuzingele umphefumulo wami siwufice, sikunyathele phansi ukuphila kwami, nesithunzi sami silahle phansi othuleni. Sela. Verse 6. Arise, O Lord, in your anger. Rise up against the rage of my enemies. Awake, my God. Decree justice. Sukuma, Jehova, ngentukuthelo yakho. Uvuke ngenxa yolaka lwezitha zami. Ungimele ngokuba uyalezile ukwahlulela. Verse 7. Let the assembled peoples gather around you, rule over them from on high. Umhlangano wezizwe mawukuphahle, ubuyele phezulu ngaphezu kwawo. Thank you so much. That was our scripture reading for today. Yeah! Yes! Poetess Mbali Shabangu signing out.